What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. Hey, man, before I say anything, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. I know it's a little dark, so I'm gonna turn the light on for right now. But as y'all can see, it's nighttime, indeed nighttime, man. I wasn't trying to get y'all a nighttime POV, but, you know what I'm saying? We gotta record every day, drop these bangers for y'all every day, man, so grind don't stop, man. So if I can't catch y'all in the daytime, gotta catch y'all at nighttime, you know what I'm saying? So I try to get all my videos at the daytime because it just look better, you know, better thumbnails, you can just see what's going on, better video. But at the same time, man, we're gonna hit y'all with the nighttime POV. Make sure y'all hit that like button like I said, man. Subscribe to your boy, man. We on the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. And as y'all can tell by the title, we in the world's slowest scat right now. Why I say that? Because we are indeed in valet mode, you know what I'm saying? We are in valet mode. Hold on, all the bumps and roads and all that. We're in valet mode. So with that being said, man, we're in the slowest mode there is for any Mopar, you know what I'm saying? So finna teach y'all a little something for folks that don't know. You got a little valet mode for all your SRTs or anybody that got the taser, you know what I'm saying? But we are indeed in that mode. I'm gonna show y'all what it's like, what's the difference, you know what I'm saying? Throttle response, all that. All that good stuff, all that, you know what I mean? All that good stuff, man, but hold on, my window getting foggy. I don't know what's going on. My window's been getting foggy lately for no reason. Every time the temperature change, bro, that done be pissing me off. But yeah, we're in valet mode. I'm finna put it to the floor. Watch what, this is what's gonna happen. Literally, it's to the floor. That is, bro, I literally had it to the floor and that's all I got. Let's see what the exhaust sound like. It still sound like a catless scat. And you can't use paddle shifters. Let me put it in manual. You can put it in manual mode. You still can't. Oh, you gotta do it. Okay, so I can't use paddle shifter. Even putting it in this, you still can't use paddle shifter, bro. You gotta use the handle. It's to the floor. That's insane, bro. That was to the floor, and that's all I got in manual mode. I mean, exhaust. Let me see. It's gonna be a short video, by the way, man. I'm doing this in the middle of me doing something else, so I'm killing two birds, one stone. You feel me? Let me see. But that's like to the floor. That's all I got. But yeah, man, this is the mode you put your car in. You know what I'm saying? When you finna get somebody your whip, or they got to work on it, you don't want them to, you know what I'm saying, joyride or go crazy in your whip. You know what I'm saying? Put it in valet mode, man. And sorry for the people that, you know, ain't nothing wrong with buying a used car, but folks that bought a used car, they don't know the code to that or ever got this fixed, and they can't, you know what I'm saying, put it on, take it off. Y'all boy, get that done, man. It's always needed. You never know when you're gonna need it. They call valet mode for a reason, you know what I'm saying? This mode made for show and tell, nothing else. When it was in valet mode. But yeah, man, that's all I get. Watch them and put it to the floor. Stick them. Well, I'm probably the most weakest stick them I ever did, bro. But yeah, they're gonna be, I don't want the video to be too short, but man, hey, gotta do what I gotta do, man. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? This is one of probably the most boring POVs I've done. Probably not the most boring, but one of them, you know what I'm saying? One of them are boring. Pretty top 3 boring. But if you're watching, man, you're a real one, you know what I'm saying? Because you going along the everyday journey, bro. This is every day. Y'all with me every day, bro. Y'all boys are with me every day. I'm finna get y'all a pull right here. It's a little stretch right here. Hold on. People, I don't go higher than 4K. It don't shift higher than 4K, bro. With it to the floor. That's crazy. Holding it that long, the fastest I got was 56 miles per hour. That's crazy. That is indeed crazy. This video may be short, and if this video is this short as I think it's gonna be, bro, y'all can at least, you know what I'm saying, like the video, bro. 100 likes, bro. At least like and watch. And watch the whole video. That's what I meant to say. At least watch the whole video, bro. It's like not that much. And all of this is uncut. Oh, there's nothing to cut. Told y'all, man, I'm working on hustling. Respect the grind, man. Respect the grind. You know what I'm saying? I got an outside life outside of this, you know what I'm saying? So respect the grind. Respect the grind. Like, what are you, bro? Turn your hazards on. Don't you think that makes sense? Jeez. But yeah, man, it could be a short little video, nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to hit y'all boys with a nice little, you know, POV. The world's slowest scat POV. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I know it's very short, but look, man, y'all boys, we gotta get to it. We gotta stay ahead of the game. So yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said, at the end of my videos, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Cari crew. The sky's the limit, you can touch it, man. Make sure y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, stay blessed, stay safe in these streets, man. Like I said in all the end of my videos as well, I'm out of here like yesterday.